Oh, it was a long journey. I think I got to know about Eklavya or about the foundation through a LinkedIn post about Raju when I saw his achievement through the Chevening scholarship, and thought, I sent him an email that I really want to also pursue higher education, and that's how I got connected. And last year I was here as a mentee at the Global Scholars Program where I learned a lot of things, and I went back home and applied for few fellowships, and which I luckily got into a few of them, and that's how I came here to share my journey as well as give a few of my advices, guidance, and that's how my journey has been from a mentee to mentor to help people. That's yeah. One of the last boot camp I had met one of my friends. He was from Tamil Nadu. He was the only person who went to the village. From the only person who went to the university from the village. So no one come from the marginalized community has ever went to school. So when he went back, now I'm also trying to see how could I go to Tamil Nadu and also help him to have some small boot camps. And this really bring them a hope, hope to see to make these dreams into reality. And no one tells you about these things. You have to experience these things, and when the people from the marginalized communities really experience about the exposure, about the life, about the education, that really impacts or really create an impact to the community, not only themselves. And one of the good things about the marginalized communities and communities in India, they really come back and try to help others, and that's what I really love, that it's a different world for them which they would have never seen, they would have never dreamt of. For me, it was like a dream. I still believe that people ask me about how was your experience, Shakti, in Europe, and I always say to people that I still feel I'm in a deep sleep and someone is going to wake me up and tell me these things were or dream, Shakti, not reality. So that's how it really affects. I feel I'm in a delusion, thinking whether I'm in reality or dream. So it's crazy to speak up in words. It's all experience just has been exploding in my mind and heart.